Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about decimals, hundreds and thousands. Hundreds and thousands. See here, hundreds. Hundred means decimal fractions with 100 as denominator. Okay, decimal fractions with 100 as denominator are called hundreds. Okay, so the example 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100, 16 by 100, 25 by 100, 88 by 100. So, this denominator represents what? Number of equal parts. So, one whole part is divided into 100 equal parts. So, how many parts we have? 99. So, 1 to 99. So, 1 by 100 to 99 by 100 are represented as hundreds. Are represented as hundreds. Okay, see, how can we represent 1 by 100? How can we represent 1 by 100? 1 by 100 we read it as 100. 1 by 100 we can read as 100. We can represent as 100. Okay, and written. How can we write down? 1 by 100 we can represent in decimal form 0.01 or 0.01. We can represent 1 by 100 as 0.01 or 0.01. So how can we write down the number name of 1 by 100 in decimal? So 0.01 or 0.01. So write it. What I am given here? 0.01. You can write like this. 0.01 or you can read like this. 0.01. The number name is same. 0.01. Okay. Let us first check out for 99 by 100. So 99 by 100 can be represented as 99 hundredths. 99 hundredths means 99 parts out of 100. Okay, 99 hundredths. You can represent like this 0.99 or 0.99. Written as 0.99 or 0.99. Okay, how can we read the number name? Write down the number name. What I am given here 0.99. So you can read that, you can written as 0.99 or 0.99. In decimal number name we can represent as digits. Now don't write 99. That is not 99. Okay, after point we can read as 9999 digit wise. Okay. Next, thousands. Decimal fractions with 1000 as denominator are called thousands. Decimal fractions with 1000 as denominator are called thousands. Okay, see here. So 1000 means we can represent the number like this. 1 by 1000 means one whole part is divided into 1000 equal parts. One whole part is divided into 1000 equal parts. So out of this, first one is 1 by 1000. So how can we read? How can we represent this number? 1000. 1000. How can we return this one? 0.001. 0.00. Because in the denominator we are having 3 digits, na? 3 zeros. In the denominator we are having 3 zeros. So we keep the decimal point from right to left after 3 digits. Okay, so here only single digit is, keep it zeros in the remaining digits. Okay, so 0.001 or 0.001. So how can we read the number name? 0.001 or 0.001. Here, for this, see, we have 1000 equal parts. So 1 to 999 we are having thousands. So see here 999 by 1000. So we can represent this one as 999,000. 999,000. Okay. You can written as this 0.999 or 0.999. 0.999 or 0.999. Okay. How can we write the number name? See here, point. After we can read as digit wise 999. So 0.999 or 0.999. We can read the point also. Okay. This is example 13. Write the following decimals in the place value table. Okay, these are the given decimals: 0.39, 1.07, 29.6, 112.29, 120.245. Okay. First of all, you write down the expanded form of the given decimal numbers. Okay. First of all, write down the expanded form of the given decimals. Okay, see here 0.39. Okay. 0 is in which place? Ones place. 0 in ones place. 3 in tenths place. 9 in hundredths place. 9 in hundredths place. So you can write down the expanded form of 0.39. So 0 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 9 into 1 by 100. Okay, write down like this for all the given numbers. See 1.07. So here 1 in ones place, 0 in tenths place, 7 in hundredths place. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 1 by 100. And this one 29.6. 29.6. So 2 is in tenths place, 9 in ones place, 6 in 1 by 10th place. Okay. See here 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1 plus 6 into 1 by 10. And see here 112.29. 1 in hundreds, another one in tenths, 2 in ones place, this 2 in tenths and 9 in hundreds. So 1 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 9 into 1 by 100. And the last one 120.245. You can read like this only for digits. After point read as digits 245. Okay. So 120 means 1 in hundreds place, 2 in tens, 0 in ones. And after point 2 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place. So 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. Now write down the place value table. Okay. See here the largest digit is hundreds and hundreds. So write down decimal number first, hundreds, tens, ones, after tens, hundreds, thousands. What is the first number as given? 0.39. So there is no hundreds, there is no tens. Keep it zeros. Okay. If the number is not given in the place, keep it 0. So there is no hundreds, 0. There is no tens, 0. In ones place it is having 0, so keep it 0. In tens place it is having 3. And 9 is in 1 by 100. So see here 0. According to your expanded form, you can write down the place value table. 1.07. 1 is in ones place, 0 in tenth place, 7 in hundred place. Remaining places keep it 0. 29.6. 2 is in tenth place, 9 is in ones place, 6 in tenth place. Remaining places keep it 0. 112.29. So 1 in 100, 1 in 10, 2 in ones, 2 in 1 by 10, 9 in 1 by 100. There is no thousandth term, so keep it 0. 120.245. 120.245. So 1 in hundreds, 2 in tens, 0 in ones, 2 in tens, now 4 in hundreds and 5 in thousands. Like this you have to do the place value table. To see the next example number 14. Write each of the following as a decimal. So the given number name is given, you can write down in decimal form. Okay, see here 406 and 9 hundredths. Second one is 12.165. The third one 8 and 35 thousandths. Okay, see the take first one 406 6 and 900th. So there is no tenth. Okay, so 406 can be written as 406 plus 900th. So 9 by 100. Okay, so 406 plus there is no tenth. So keep it 0 by 10. 0 by 10 plus 9 by 100. Okay, so 406 plus 0 by 100 can be written as 0 into 1 by 10 plus 9 by 100 can be written as 9 into 1 by 100. That means 0 in tens place, 9 in hundreds place. So write down the decimal number like this: 406.09. 406.09. So the second one, they are directly given 12.165. So write down directly 12.165. Okay, there is no conversion here. Third one, 8 and 35 thousands. 8 and 35 thousands. See here, 8 means 8 plus 35 thousands means 35 by 1000. 35 thousands means 35 by 1000. Here 35 means in 3 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place. So write down like this: 8 plus 3 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. 3 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So there is no tens. So keep it tens place as 0. So 8 plus 0 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So 0 by 10 can be represented as 0 into 1 by 10. 3 by 100 can be written as 3 into 1 by 100. 5 by 1000 can be written as 5 into 1 by 1000. Means in tens place 0, in hundreds place 3, in thousands place 5. What is the decimal number here? 8.035. 8.035. In number name it is nothing but 8 and 35,000. 8 and 35,000, and also can be written as 8.035. This is also number name. Okay, 8.035 or 8 and 35,000. For this also 400.09. So this is also a number name of 406.9. 406. Okay, 406 and 900s or 406.09. So the next example number 15, write each of the following as a decimal. Okay, here one type of expanded form is given. So use the expanded form to write down the decimal number. Okay, see here 30 plus 8 plus 5 by 10 plus 9 by 100 is given. Okay, so how many tens here? 3 tens. So write down 3 into 10. How many ones? 8 ones. 8 into 1 plus how many 1 by 10s? 5 1 by 10s. So 5 into 1 by 10 plus how many hundreds here? 900. So 9 into 1 by 100. So you can write down the decimal number 38. 38.59. 38.59 is the decimal number. Okay. So the next one, 158 plus 8 by 100. 158 plus 8 by 100. So first of all you can write down the expanded form of this. 158 is directly given, so you can write down the expanded form of 158. So 100 plus 50 plus 8. After we know we have tens, but here there is no tens, so keep it 0 in tens. So 0 by 10 plus what is given? 8 by 100 is given. So after that you can write down how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, how many tens and how many hundreds. So 1 into 100, 5 tens, 8 ones, 0 tens and 8 hundreds. So write down the decimal as 158.08. 158.08. See here, there is no whole number part here. There is no whole number part. So keep it whole number part as 0. Okay, 0 plus 9 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. So write down in how many whole numbers here. I mean how many ones here? 0 ones. How many tens? 9 tens. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. How many thousands? 1000. So what is the number is? 0.931. Okay, next. 43 plus 3 by 10 plus 6 by 1000. First of all, you can write down the 43 as 40 plus 3. Okay, 40 plus 3 plus 3 by 10 is given. So there is no hundreds here. So keep it 0 in hundreds place. So 0 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Okay, now how many tens here? 4 tens. How many ones? 3 ones. How many tens? 3 tens. How many hundreds? 0. How many thousands? 6 thousands. So write down the number as 43.306. At last, 800 plus 30 plus 5. So expanded form of 835 is given. Plus after this, after whole number part, we want to write down the tens place. But there is no tens here. So keep it 0 in tens place. Okay, 800 plus 30 plus 5, 0 by 10 plus 7 by hundreds. After this, how many hundreds here? 8 hundreds. How many tens? 3 tens. How many ones? 5 ones. How many tens? 0. How many hundreds? 7 hundreds. So write down the number as 835.07. See the next example, number 16. Write the fractions in the lowest terms. Write the fractions in the lowest terms. 0.80. First of all, you write down the expanded form of 0.80. So 0.80 is equal to 0 is in ones place, so 0 into 1, 8 in tens place, 8 into 1 by 10, 0 in hundreds place, 0 into 1 by 100. Okay, so 0 into 1, 0 plus 8 into 1 by 10 is nothing but 8 by 10 plus 0 by 100, 0 into 1 by 100 is 0 by 100. So ones place is having 0, hundreds place having 0. So directly write down 8 by 10. So both numerator and denominator are divided with the common factor 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So the fraction form of 0.80 is 4 by 5. And also use the shortcut. Shortcut is nothing but, see, after decimal point, how many digits here? 2 digits. So in the denominator we are having 2 zeros. So 100. So 80 is divisible with 100. 80 by 100. So cancel 0, 0, 2 4s, 2 5s. So the result is 4 by 5. Okay, use the shortcut for the remaining. So the next one is 0.04. So after decimal having 2 digits, so 4 by 100. So 4 by 100, both numerator and denominator have the common factor 4. So 4 ones are 4, 25s are 100. So the fraction form of 0.04 is 1 by 25. 0.55. After decimal we are having 2 digits. So 55 by 100. Both numerator and denominator have the common factor 5. Divide with 5 both numerator and denominator. 5 11s are 55, 5 20s are 100. So the fraction form of 0.55 is 11 by 20. Okay, next 0.28. So 0.28 can be written as 28 by 100. Both numerator and denominator have the common factor 4. So divide 4 with the numerator by numerator and denominator. 4 7s are 28, 4 25s are 100. The fraction form of 0.28 is 7 by 25. Okay, next 0.75. So 75 by 100. Both numerator and denominator have the common factor 25. So 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. So the fraction form of 0.75 is 3 by 4. Okay, see the next one. We are given 0.195. So after decimal point we are having 3 digits. We are having 3 digits. So 0 into 1, 0 in ones place, 1 in tens place, 9 in hundreds place, 5 in thousands place. So 0 into 1 plus 1 by 10 plus 9 into 1 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. So 0 ones are 0. 1 into 1 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 10. 9 into 1 by 100 is nothing but 9 by 100. 5 into 1 by 1000 is nothing but 5 by 1000. So here we can't add them because the denominators are different. So we want to convert into like decimals, like denominators, okay, like fractions. So both 1 by 10 can be multiplied both numerator and denominator by 100, then only we get 1000 in the denominator. Second, for 9 by 100, both numerator and denominator multiplied by 10, then only we get denominator as 1000. Now, these all are like fractions. For like fractions, we just add the numerators, keep the denominator same. So 100 plus 90 plus 5 is nothing but 195. So 195 by 1000. Both numerator and denominator have the common factor 5. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 4 is remainder here, 45, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, keep the remaining zeros. So the fraction form of 0.195 is 39 by 200. For this also we are having short form. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So it is nothing but 195 by 1000 is the fraction form. So 195 by 1000, both numerator and denominator have the common factor 5. So we can cancel them, we get 39 by 200. Okay, at the last one, 0.044. 0.044. It can be written as 44 by 1000. Both numerator and denominator have the common factor 4. Divide 4 with the numerator and divide 4 with 1000. So 44 by 4 is nothing but 11 times it is divisible. So 11 by 250. So the fraction form of 0.044 is 11 by 250.